Hi everybody, we are at 15384 West Coleman Drive in Marley Park. We are looking at a home here that we have just listed, and it is located on the green belt. A nice view, and it's all the way in the back side with a higher than normal road wall so that you have complete privacy with this property. So let's go take a look at it. The home opens up to a large great room off of the kitchen. The kitchen has granite countertops, upgraded cabinets, black on black appliances, and it also has a split floor plan. Let's go take a look at some of the bedrooms. Right here we have a little office nook. Here's bedroom number 1. The owners are using it as an office. It has beautiful laminate floors, as you can see. And these same floors are in every room in the house. Here's the hallway bath. And then here's another bedroom. Every room comes with a ceiling fan. So now we're going to go check out the master, which is on the other side of the house. The house comes with 9-inch ceilings. Master bathroom comes with the shower and tub combo, and his and her sinks. Has a nice large walk-in closet. Excuse me, I'm shooting a video. And here's the laundry room. Here's the garage. It has the epoxy on the ground so that if you have some oil leaks, it's easily mopped up.
I just washed this entire thing. I washed it and scrubbed it. So that whatever's on there.
It's got some storage area up here. And then here's the outside. Has a nice pergola. And the pavers on the outside as well. Gives it a nice touch. And the gate here was upgraded from what the builder had offered. So it's a solid gate that comes with the house. And easy to maintain desert landscaping in the back. that's the house. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at Position Realty. My number is 480-213-5251.